Ugh, it smells delicious.
It's the Great Taylor C. Baker Show.
Aloha and welcome back to the Great Taylor C. Baker Show, Hawaii edition. I am here in the Waimea Valley on the north shore of Oahu, and this beautiful adventure has inspired me to make some tropical desserts. So today we are going to be making Piña Colada Cupcakes. So step one, go to Hawaii. Step two, swim in the waterfall. Next up, drink a Piña Colada at Sunset Beach on the north shore. So let's learn how to make it. And now we're back! And I totally came out of that waterfall looking just like this. But seriously, my skin has never felt more soft and like a baby's bottom than after I bathed in that waterfall in Hawaii. And as I mentioned in Hawaii, we're making Piña Colada Cupcakes. Or to be more specific, Piña Colada Pineapple right side up cupcakes. Not upside down. This is one of my favorite types of recipes where I'm kind of going a little bit off book and just mixing some things I think will sound good together. So first up, you need a pineapple. And in this case, mine is actually from HEB and not Hawaii. I'm gonna leave my beautiful muse here as inspiration, but we're actually gonna use canned pineapple because cutting pineapples is a real to-do. We are using today Duncan Hines pineapple upside down cake. Super moist. Sometimes you just wanna make recipes that are a little snappier. And this is that recipe. So first up, let's make our sponge. We're gonna need 1 box of pineapple cake mix, 3 large eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of water, half a cup of coconut milk, and half a cup of sweetened coconut. We are gonna blend our cake mix, water, eggs, oil, and coconut milk at a low speed until fully mixed. Then we're gonna add in our toasted coconut and mix for another 2 minutes. It smells truly like a piña colada. I went ahead and added in a teaspoon of rum extract to give it a little more piña colada kick. Once our batter is all together, immediately put it into our cupcake tins, leaving some room to let the cakes rise. Plus, we want to leave some room to add our pineapple. And then we're going to bake them at 350 for 15 to 18 minutes. So these expand in the oven like a lot. Definitely go half full, maybe a little less than half full, because just look. Oh yeah. Mission accomplished. This is exactly what I was hoping they'd look like. My vision was just executed perfectly. I mean, pineapple right side up cake. It actually looks like a pineapple upside down cake that was turned right side up and then turned upside down and then went through a generator. My oven is like, yes, you did that. All right, round 2. Bake well, round 2. Oh, baking misadventures. I know you guys think that I'm like the most professional baker in the whole world and everything I do is super flawless. But believe it or not, I don't test these recipes before I do them. That's part of the fun, is making mistakes. This next round I put in half full, and I'm actually going to not bake the pineapple in it at all. I love improvising, and I'm gonna make a little bit of frosting. Some sort of piña colada cream cheese frosting. I'm gonna add a little bit of pineapple juice, a little bit of rum extract, a little bit of coconut cream, and cream cheese. Voila, piña colada frosting. Those look like cupcakes. All right, classic Taylor C. Baker round 2 is done, and these are nice and cooled. And now we're going to put a layer of my cream cheese frosting. If you need instructions on how to make the best cream cheese frosting I've ever had from scratch, check out my carrot cake cupcake recipe here. And you can improvise off of that, add in some rum extract, some coconut extract, a little bit of coconut flakes. There's so many fun ways to make this recipe your own. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cooled cupcakes, layer them up with our yummy improvised coconut cream cheese frosting, top them with pineapple, put a little cherry in the middle, and chef's kiss. Okay, it was a journey to get here, but even though I had to make them twice, this was a super simple and easy recipe to make. So let's give them a try. That is just pure joy. This was a hit, and it totally reminds me of being in Hawaii. Thought bubble of being in Hawaii. and I invite you to bake along with me. If you make any of the recipes for my show, I invite you to be creative, make them your own, and please tag me at Taylor C. Baker on all the social medias and use the hashtag BakeWithBaker. Bake with Baker. So I can see all of your adventures in the kitchen. Before I go, I also want to thank my amazing Grandma Lolly for making me this beautiful pineapple apron. Thank you so much, Grandma Lolly. I love it, and it gives me all the Hawaii vibes. Thank you so much for watching the Great Taylor C. Baker Show, Hawaii edition. Be sure to hit subscribe and tune in every week when I post new baking videos and travel fun adventure shenanigans. Cheers!
It's the Great Taylor C. Baker Show.